Welcome back. In this video, we have an exciting tutorial for you which is going to make your workflow smooth and more efficient. Here I'm going to show you how you can automate sending of emails on your Typeform submission using SMTP module by Pabbly. Guys, SMTP is Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, and you can use SMTP by Pabbly module to connect with any mail service provider like SendGrid, Sendinblue, Amazon SES, etc. And with the help of this, you can automate the sending of emails to the form submitters, ensuring a better communication between you and the form submitters. And we can set up this whole automation without any coding just by a few clicks. So if you want to learn this, stay tuned till the end. Let's get started. To set up the workflow, guys, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation tool. And to reach here, guys, you can use the link I have pasted in the description. From here, you can sign up for free and you will get free automation tasks every month to test and set up your automations. So sign up right now from the given link, and after that you can sign in to reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. From here you can click on this create workflow button. Here you can provide a suitable name to your workflow. So let me give a name here. So I have given this name. Okay, now you can click on create button and your workflow page will load up like this. And on this page, guys, you will find the basic building blocks of this automation, which is the trigger and the actions. So every automation works on this principle only. So the trigger starts the workflow and the actions are the automated responses of the trigger. In our use case, guys, getting a Typeform submission is going to trigger the workflow, and the automated action would be to send an email to the form submitter via SMTP module by Pabbly Connect. Okay, so when you click on this trigger window, it will ask you to choose the trigger application. So here you have to choose Typeform. Then you have to select the trigger event as new entry. So this is a beta version of this trigger. Let's just use it. Okay, and here click on this connect button. From here select add new connection, then click on connect with Typeform, and it might bring you to the login window of Typeform, but I have already logged in, so it is just asking me to choose the account. So this is my account, and here you have to provide all these access to your account. So just click on accept and Pabbly Connect will be connected with Typeform in a moment. So we have connected Typeform in the trigger, you can see, and here it started asking to select the form's name. So this is my Typeform application dashboard, and here I have created a form with the name as contact form. So these are the forms I have created. I am using contact form for setting up this workflow. You can use your form. Okay, and here let me select the contact form name. Okay, this is the name of the form, and then click on save and send test request button. And here you can see, guys, it started waiting for the response. This means now we can perform a test submission. Test submission means now I'm going to open the form that I have created, this one. I'm going to open it. So guys, this is my form. I have opened it here in a new tab, and let us just fill in the details of this form. So it is asking for the first name, so I have put the first name as test, and the last name here I'm going to put name only. Okay, we are just using some test details. Here you can put any test email address. Okay, and here you can put any random number like this and submit the form. Here you can see the form has been submitted. Let's check in our trigger section if we have received the data of this submission, and here you can see the same data we have received here. First name, last name, email address, and the number we have received right here. And now when I receive the form submission, I want to send an email to this person on this address, and for that I'm going to use the actions tab we have here, and here we are going to connect with SMTP module of Pabbly Connect. Okay, so with the help of SMTP module, you can connect with any mail server or SMTP service provider like Amazon SES, SendGrid, MailChimp, etc. For now, we are using SendGrid. So you just have to click on this connect option right here, and from here select add new connection, and here it will ask you to provide the host name, username, password, encryption type, and the port number. So guys, when you set up your SMTP inside any mail server, you will get the host name and the username and the password. Okay, so for SendGrid, you can put the username like this, smtp dot sendgrid dot net. Okay, username you can put, actually I have saved these credentials in my notepad, so I'm going to copy the details from here only. So when you set up your account, you will get the details of your username. You can put the username here, and now it is asking for the SMTP password. So when you set up the SMTP, you will get the SMTP password, which will look like this. So copy that and paste it here. Then it will ask for the encryption type. So we have three type of encryptions here: TLS, SSL, and none. So you can put here TLS. For now I'm just showing you TLS, and the port number for TLS encryption is 587. So I'm just going to put 587 here. Okay, and after filling the details, click on save, and you will be connected with SMTP by that is SendGrid. Okay, then here it will ask you to provide the name of the person who is sending this email. So you can put your name here. I'm just putting here admin. Okay, you can put your name here. From email, so here you have to enter SMTP sender email. Okay, so let me put my SMTP sender email here, which is this. All right, then it will ask you to provide the email address of that person to whom you are sending the email. So we are sending the emails to the form submitters. So we have received this email ID label here in the trigger. So I'm going to map this email ID label here in this to field. You just have to click here, and from the previous step, just select the email ID label, and it will be mapped here. Okay. Similarly, you can put the subject and the body. So in the subject, you can put any subject that you want to send. I'm just putting the subject here as testing SMTP, because we are just showing you the demo of how it works. Here you can type the whole email that you want to send to the form submitters. So here I have written hello, and after hello, I want to address the person to whom I'm sending the email. So I'm going to map the name from the trigger step. So I'm just mapping the first name label and the last name label to map the full name. Okay, and here let me just type the email. So I have written a small mail here like this, you can see, just to test how this works. Okay, and now you can test your connection with SendGrid by clicking on save and send test request button, and this email will be delivered to this email address that you have mapped here. So this is not an actual email address. So to show you how the email is going to look like, I'm going to fill my email address here. Then I'm going to click on save and send test request button. So guys, I have filled my email address, and this is the inbox I have. Let me just click on save and send test request button, and let's see how this works. So guys, we have received this response. It is showing success. Let's check here in my email inbox, and here you can see I have received the email from this name admin, and the subject is testing SMTP. And here you can read, hello test name, I hope you're doing well, thank you for filling out the form. This is just to test the SMTP module by Pabbly. And this is the same email I have written here in this body field. Okay, so this is how it is going to work. This is how you can send emails. So guys, here you can see we have received the whole email in this single line. So to avoid this and to add lines here in this email, what you can do, you can just put this angle brackets for new lines. Okay, just copy the angle bracket. This is actually a HTML tag. Okay, so you can put here angle brackets and put BR inside it, so that a new line will be added in your email. Okay, I have forgot to tell you this, but you can use this for new line. Okay, then the mail will be suitable for the format, right? And you have to set up this automation only once. After that, it is going to trigger automatically on every form submission, and the data and the labels that you have mapped here will be updated automatically, and new data, new emails according to the mapped labels will be sent to the new people that are filling the form. Okay, and the things that you have filled here manually like this is not going to change. It will remain static. Only the things that you're mapping here are going to change. Okay, so you have to carefully set up this workflow. And I'm going to paste the link of this workflow in the description as well, so that you can clone the same workflow in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.